Hey everybody, it's John here. Today we're doing the Miortior Smart LED RGB corner lamp. I thought we would unbox it first, see what's inside the package when you get it. That's what it looks like when you open it. Got some screws and a hex nut, or hex wrench, I should say. Got a user manual. It's a power plug, 120 volt. Plug it right into your standard wall outlet. Here's a remote control. There's different power modes on here, on, off, different colors, timers. You can go to the beat of the music. Different brightness settings right on that area there. Pretty cool. This is the base of the floor lamp. It's a good, sturdy, heavy base. You can plug it in right back there. And then you have the tubes that make up the lamp itself. It looks like, yeah, so you can see the one tube has a solid end at the top. So this is the top tube, and they're very lightweight, which is nice because the base itself is sturdy and heavy. So with the lightweight top tubes, I believe it's gonna stay upright and be nice and light and not gonna topple over. Then each one of these tubes has an end like this and an end like this. So you see the end. So this would slide in on one side and connect black to black, and it snaps together. And now you've got it two sections together. Now you'll notice they're a little wobbly. That's where the screws that I showed you at the beginning, the screws and the hex nut, you put the screws in and it tightens everything up. So let me put the rest of this all together and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I've got the lamp all together and plugged in. This is not the darkest room. But you can see that when you plug it in, pops up and it lights up red. There is, on this remote here, there's different static colors you can use. So I can change it to green, blue, yellow, kind of a light blue, like a sky blue, a purple. Then there's also the W button here, which makes it white. So if you just want light. But why would you buy this lamp if you just wanted white? That's no fun. But yeah, it's very cool. And what I will say is the static colors do look very much like the colors on the remote. Some lamps, static colors aren't quite. Like green is really green. Blue is really blue. I like it. This is your brightness levels here. You can see. So I can turn down the brightness. Turn up the brightness, and you just push it. This auto button here is an auto color cycle, so you can just push this and it will kind of give you like a nice rainbow effect, which I think is kind of fun. The mode button here, according to what I've read on the manual, there's like 68 different color modes, or different color light mode. So if you just press it, you can cycle through the different colors or the different modes. That was kind of cool. There's all sorts of different color modes. This is such a fun, cool lamp. I bought this lamp to give me some lighting effects for the videos I do, and I think this will be perfect. You know, I can do different things. There's all sorts of different modes. And you can go back to static. There's a timer mode, so you can set these different timers. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. There's a color mode, so I think you can just cycle through all the different colors. Yeah, you just hit the color button and it'll just cycle through all the colors that it has. Let's see what else. There is these buttons here go to the beat of different songs. So you can use different music to change the colors. But this is really a fun little lamp. I like this. I think you will too. This is John from Gadget Geek. And we'll see you on the next one.